Namaste. Hello everyone. Welcome to DAV and Santa. I am Adarsh Risky from grade 9 and today we have Diksha, Deepika and Dhatri from grade 8. Welcome D3. We are all proud DAVians, aren't we?
Of course we are.
So then let's have an overlook on the happenings of DAVs. Here is a bowl of chits. Just take one.
It's about the special assemblies in our school. So in the previous news video, our seniors covered until September. So let's start from October.
We were on our holidays during October special assembly days.
Cool. Then we'll start from November.
Okay, let me start first. Generally, in all assembly days, we have speech, information sharing, pictorial representation, dances, etc. Like this, we celebrate special assemblies, including the birthdays of C.V. Raman, Guru Nanak Ji, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Sri Kuvempu, Swami Vivekananda, Lala Lajpat Rai, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Swami Shraddhananda, Thomas Alva Edison, and Sarojini Naidu.
Apart from birthdays, we also had National Education Day, World Students Day, Human Rights Day, National Girls Day, National Science Day, International Women's Day, World Water Day, World Health Day, and other important days like Swami Shraddhanand Balidan Divas and Shahid Divas.
Well done both of you. Let's go for the next.
It's the special one. It's about competitions. Let me talk about the CCA activities held in DAV. Our juniors participated in a number of activities which were like word attack, solo singing, solo dancing, and the fancy dress competition. In all these activities, we could see them participate with a great zeal. Their hard works were respected through a special felicitation. Yes, that gave a prize distribution day for them. It happened the whole day, and few parents were invited as chief guests, and we could see the bright faces of our juniors on that day.
Interesting. Let me share about sports competition. We have participated in different competitions like Taekwondo State Level Championship at Koramangala Indoor Stadium. 51 students from grade 2 to 9 participated. We participated in Gurukul Olympics at Swami Narayan Gurukul School in various games. Jeevan Gowda of grade 9 participated in National Level Open Karate Championship on 8th of December and had won the second prize. Students from grade 1 to 9 participated in Interstate Athletic Championship at Rani Channamma Stadium on 15th of December. We hosted inter-school volleyball tournament for under 16 boys. 5 schools participated including ours, the home school, Sunmark Central School, Pramiti School and SSVN School. We won the championship, but being the host school, we announced Pramiti School as the winner who stood next to us and home school was the runner-up. Om Shanti Dhamma Veda Gurukula and DAV had an inter-school competition of 4 games quiz. Volleyball, cricket, kho and football on 3rd of February. We won overall championship. After-school coaching students, including me, were taken to sports school on 10th of March for cricket and basketball. We had a wonderful experience and lots of learning there. We hosted inter-school basketball tournament for under 16 girls on 13th of March. We were the runners-up of the tournament. The home school, Edify and DAV school were the participants. And Edify won the championship. That's all for sports.
Wow! These many sports participation in short duration. Amazing! Let's go for another chit.
They are the charms of DAV. It's about a KG corner. Isn't it interesting?
Yeah.
They are the life of our school, bubbly, innocent, and beautiful darlings.
Our tiny tots are meant for their cuteness. Their presence during Rainbow Week was so dramatic, and the colorful era of representing rainbow colors was a pure bliss. Their talents were exhibited through shloka recitation, solo singing, and fancy dress competition. Their makeover as peacock, tree, shakuntali, vegetables, fruits was a treat to our eyes. Their tiny palms make wonders. The exuberance of their tender hands was enhanced through the activities like clay modeling, vegetable sandwich, and fruit salad making. Drawing and coloring, and the icing on the cake was their fun day with shapes. Our future sportsmen and women were at making during the sports week. We could see them participating in all games packed with full energy. As the young kids' relationship with their grandparents is always special. Our school has organized Grandparents' Day. The day was eventually an exhibition of enchanting bond of our kids with their grandparents.
Sounds so cool. Let's go for the next.
It's about the field trips and the days out of the RDAvians. Let me talk about this. Students of grade 6 to 11 had gone for sports school as a part of fitness program offered by our school. It was focused on personality development of students. As fear is the major hindrance in our development, the trip was organized exclusively to eradicate the fear from our minds. I thoroughly enjoyed the day. What about you guys?
We too did a lot. It was a testimony for our fitness and stamina and erase of our fear.
During International Women's Day, few of our students with our teachers went out to meet women excelling in different fields as nurses, doctors, teachers, police officers, chefs, homemakers, vendors, entrepreneurs. Do you people know that our male staff headed by our administrative officer Shikara sir gave a surprise party to the female staff on Women's Day?
Seems interesting.
During March, our students went to the Kaglipura police station and
Wait. Why to police station? Were they arrested?
no, it was a part of the community program. The day created the needed awareness to our students to be responsible citizens and to be a part of safety of fellow men in the collaboration with our friendly policemen.
Our 11th graders are given a special program called B3, Bond Beyond Book, in which 11th graders are given an informal day out with teachers to develop a bond with teachers.
That's interesting.
Sounds fun, right?
I'll take the next step. It's about the special celebrations at DAV. My favorite one was Kannada Rajotsava. The fun we had watching the dance, acts, song, and the fashion show was truly an unforgettable one.
My favorite was our Children's Day celebration. Our teachers presented us with a perfect blend of all acts from songs, drama, dance to stand up comedy. It was an unforgettable day. The most exciting part was the unlimited pani puri served to us.
My favorites are Diwali, Dasra, and Christmas celebrations. The Ravana Dahana act was so realistic, and the doll exhibition for Dasra was fantabulous. The Santa Claus visit was really unexpected and interesting.
As we know that Ravana Dahana is a symbolic representation of eradicating evil from us, our school made us write our negative qualities in a chit and then burned with Ravana. That was quite an interesting part for me.
It is truly thoughtful.
Mine is the Sankranti celebration. Oh, what a day it was. We all came in traditional attires. I am clueless. Should I exclaim about the village hut setup or the desi games we played or the traditional pongal making or the bullock cart ride by a few of us or the traditional swing arrangement or our students' performances? It was actually a early Sante DAV.
Youth Parliament was so inspiring and it made us realize the role of responsible citizenship. I could witness young leaders emerging that day. We got an opportunity to bring out the speakers from us. We also witnessed the young journalist fearless interview. The seed of future leaders was sown on that day.
The Science Day was organized by our juniors. It was a grand treat, not only to DAVians but also a few neighboring schools who were invited for that special expo. Students from Saksharika School, Sports School, SSVM School, and Rashtrottana School had visited our expo. Students were exposed to scientific knowledge and skill in a greater manner. The students and teachers from the neighboring schools gave excellent feedback about the explaining skills and the knowledge of our young Einsteins and Edisons.
Diksha Divas is very close to my heart as we ninth graders were the host to give farewell to 10th graders and grade 11 gave farewell to 12th graders. It started auspiciously with a special Homa and Saraswati Puja. Our seniors were given their hall tickets for board exams with the heartfelt blessings from our director Dr. Shraddha ma'am, Principal Malini ma'am, Vice Principal Bhargavi ma'am and all the teachers. That was an ethereal moment for them. Followed by that, our director ma'am administered oath of virtuous life to the grade 12 students. They enjoyed the fun games arranged by their juniors, which was followed by a mindful dining treat to grade 12 students and a snack party to grade 10 students. Next day was so special for 10th graders. Hope they had enjoyed every bit of the arrangements from their cinematic entry, traditional graduation ceremony, cultural performance, the nostalgic video of their journey at DAV to the special gifts given by school and us. Our principal ma'am gave a warm welcome address, while our director Dr. Shraddha ma'am directed our seniors to a Vedic convocation. Our seniors too showed their love by their speech, gift to auxiliary staff and school.
Were you guys present on the kindergarten graduation day? It was an oh my god event. The stage was decorated so well, and the diamond of the crown was our kindergarten stars in special attires. The charismatic entry with the graduation attire through the arc of balloons was an enigmatic treat to the onlookers. Mrs. Rashmi Savur, the ex-principal of DAV who had led the school for excellent 10 years, was our chief guest. Her presence and speech added value to the day. You know, my favorite ones were the fashion show by the nursery kids, the LKG girls with their traditional dance, and the LKG boys with the rock and roll stole the show. Generally, even at ninth grade, we have stage fear, but our young champs of UKG gave the welcome address and the vote of thanks. Could you believe it?
Truly, and the beautiful day had parents' feedback, and the highlight was their gratitude dance.
Hey guys, do you remember we had Acharya Pradyumnaji, a great renowned Vedic scholar at DAV? He gave an exclusively interactive session about our traditions and values of Indian culture to our students and teachers. Here comes the last and the most awaited one, the annual day. This annual day was so special and different from other because we celebrated it in a different venue. Predicting the uncomfortable weather, our school management was concerned enough to arrange a safe venue for us. Yes, it was an air-conditioned auditorium. We were even taken there the previous day for rehearsal.
The day was begun with a traditional lamp lighting by our dignitaries. Srimati Tejaswini Anand Kumar, the founder of Adamya Chaitanya Foundation, was our chief guest. Our guests of honor were our trustee president Shri Anant Arya, secretary Shri Satyavrata, DAV chairperson Srimati Sadhana Javali, our GC member Shri Subhash Goyal, and trustee advisor Srinivas Shastri, Dr. Sridhar, Mrs. Manjula Anand, Mrs. Janvi Siddharth, and few other dignitaries. Our chief guests and guests of honor were welcomed and honored by our director ma'am and principal ma'am. While our principal ma'am gave a formal welcome address, our chief guest gave a warm address to the gathering. Our vice principal Bhargavi ma'am read the annual academic report.
Srimati Mehta was honored for our sponsorship for our swimming pool, the release of our school magazine Prerna, toppers of our grade 10 and 12 felicitation of 2023 and 2024 batches. Our alumni Shubhankar received an Outstanding Achiever Award for his placement in IIT Madras. Another alumni, Sonu, too received the Outstanding Achiever Award for her placement in a reputed medical college.
Our kindergarten children gave enchanting performances. The theme of this year was Chaturyuga, the epoch of time, the Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, and Kali Yuga. I may sound little different, but the way our friends showed the journey and transition of human from one yuga to the next yuga was purely mind-blowing. The journey of mankind from righteousness to moral degradation was clearly portrayed through their dance and dramas. Especially the evil aspects of Kali Yuga was depicted, and they ended with an exuberant performance, showing the ways to overcome those evil aspects with the help of principle offered by our Mahashri Dayanand Saraswati.
It was actually an unforgettable day, right?
Yeah. A lot of information shared actually. It is so nostalgic. I can still recall the taste of the sumptuous food served to us and our parents. The fun we had during practice sessions. We have to wait for 9 more months and then we shall have it all again.
Who are the horses? Don't be so excited. Remember, after all these funds, our seniors were taken up with their board exams, and we are expecting them to fly with colors and bring accolades to our school. So, what does it show? It shows that we can have fun, but when the time comes for academics, we need to give our hearts and soul. Right?
Yeah.
I thoroughly agree with you guys. Our school always considers the holistic approach towards the education. Do you guys know, recently our team of teachers with our director Shraddha ma'am and vice principal ma'am had gone to DAV Chennai to adapt their best practices and to collaborate with their ideas to take our education to the next level, which will enable us to meet our needs as a responsible citizen of the country. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for coming. Hello, viewers. Hope you got to know more about DAV through our lively conversations. Meet you all at the next news video. Until then, we are signing off from the Times of DAV. Namaste.